Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Jain. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button to get notified on my every upload. Today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, which is dummy articleship, which you should never do. It's a big say no to dummy articleship. In this video, I'll share with you what is dummy articleship and what all students do to register for dummy articleship and why do they consider dummy articleship, as well as why it is not at all advisable to register yourself or to go for dummy articleship because it will spoil your career 100%. So let's get started. So first of all, what is dummy? Dummy is something which is not real, which is completely fake, which is just on papers. You register yourself on papers, but you actually don't go for training in real. Okay, since ICI make it compulsory for all the students to undergo training, so they feel that let's just get registered for it and not waste their time in taking proper training. So they go for dummy articleship. तो next, why students do it? क्यों करते हैं students ये सब? Because there is a misconception that they won't be able to manage their studies, their office, their coaching together. They feel that it is sheer waste of time. आप जाओगे आओगे काम करोगे घर आके पढ़ोगे कब? So they have that notion that they won't be able to give sufficient time to the studies, and for CA final they need entire 3 years of dedicated study. So they register themselves for dummy articleship so that they don't need to manage office and studies and coaching together for CA final. Students करते क्या है to register themselves? How do they approach CA? Whom do they approach? So first of all, they themselves get registered with any known CA या कोई relative के अंडर में, या by giving money they get themselves registered. Okay, just on papers. And kabhi kabhar, just to show it to ICI, what they do is they take stipend from the CA, transferred from bank, they show it in bank and then they return it in cash. So there are many techniques which they apply so that they are not caught, but they forget the fact that when they will be real on field, जब वो actually में काम करने जाएंगे after becoming a CA, and then if they don't know anything about articleship, if they don't know anything about computers, about Excel, about Tally, about any software which a articleship firm use, that time it will be a very embarrassment situation that they don't foresee. So basically they just think कि बस register कर लेते हैं, ख़त्म कर लेते हैं, exams दे देते हैं. CA तो बनना ज़रूरी है ना. Ultimately that is what matters, right? CA आ जाए अपने नाम के आगे. But they don't understand that practical knowledge is equally important, because actually में कोई भी उनको नहीं लेगा अगर उनको काम नहीं आता हो तो. In fact, there are many companies who actually did not take even rank holders who do not have knowledge, practical knowledge basically. So it has happened in real in the past. So please consider doing proper articleship. Now I'll share all the reasons why it is not at all advisable, why it is a big no to dummy articleship. So सबसे पहला reason, first reason is practical knowledge is very very important. There is a famous dialogue from the movie Three Idiots that excellence पे concentrate करो, success झक मार के पीछे आएगी. Okay, you need to excel in that field. You need to undergo proper training, proper internship. You need to know all the work which a CA does. In fact, you need to choose a good firm for yourself. Even I have made a video on all about articleship where I have shared the pros and cons of mid-size firm, big four, which you can consider watching before applying for articleship. So whatsoever firm you choose, you will learn a lot there. Okay, so practical knowledge is a must, is important after you become a CA. The next reason is, when you undergo training, when you undergo internship, you get to learn a lot. You become street smart. It becomes very easy to crack interviews, to talk to people, to talk to various industry experts, because ultimately what matters is how you are on field, how you are on street. And nowadays you need to be very, very smart to survive. And if you're not street smart, that is completely not good for your career. In today's world, to survive, you need to be street smart. The next reason is, देखो, if you are caught by any chance, ICAI won't spare you, because if you take dummy articleship, it hampers the reputation of ICAI and they just won't consider it. Basically, you demean the name of a CA, of a chartered accountant. Okay, so never do that. The next reason is, when you will be at work, since you have never worked in that environment, you will have zero confidence. You will feel embarrassed to say them that you don't know that. Okay, that situation arises if you don't have any knowledge about any work. And being a chartered accountant, it is impliedly taken that you know everything. The next reason is also that you will miss opportunity. You'll miss opportunity to learn leadership skills, to work as a team, to manage your office, and many other skills which you actually learn on field when you work with other people around. It is actually a practical training of a chartered accountant in the way he is going to be in future. So आप पहले ही पूरा प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग लेते हो और उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को you just cannot afford to miss. You will have no knowledge about how to talk to clients, about how to negotiate with clients, how to get the documents done, how to make a proper documentation while at work. There are many qualities which you actually learn only when you are doing it practically. So you'll miss entire opportunity to learn every aspect of articleship training. The next reason is, this 3 years is the golden period of CA student. Okay, हमेशा तो पढ़ते रहते हैं, but ये articleship period में you have fun, you have, you study, you work, you have total fun when you actually work. So it is actually a golden period of time. I had my best articleship, so even you should not miss this opportunity to have and to feel that golden period of your life. The next reason is, just getting a degree is not sufficient. Just getting a CA prefix is not, sufficient. You need to have knowledge about every aspect of a chartered accountant, and it is impliedly taken. So you just get degree, but not respect if you don't do your proper articleship, if you don't have knowledge about those, proper work. So simply getting a degree is not sufficient. You need to excel on every aspect which you do during your articleship. Next reason is a big reason. You won't be able to crack your interviews 80% of time, because they will ask you practical questions, and if you are not being able to answer, they will get to know that you don't have any idea, you have not done you have not done articleship properly. It has happened with a rank holder. I remember during my time only, there was a student who got rank, but he did not take articleship properly. He was asked during that interview, what is the meaning of 26 AS? What all do we get to see in 26 AS? And trust me, he did not know that. Just imagine the situation of that chartered accountant who did not know a simple thing of form 26 AS. वो होता क्या है? And every article know about it who has worked a little. He was not selected. This is just one example. During your interview, you are asked practical questions because they need to test whether you have proper knowledge or not. So trust me, never do this to crack your interview, because you need to crack your interview throughout your life. Okay, throughout your life, if you go for job, if you go for Big Four or any corporate life, you need to have proper practical knowledge. Even if you want to do your family business or any work, it is impliedly taken that you know everything which a CA knows. So basically you are going to manage the finance department of your business, of your firm. So ultimately you need to know all the work, एंड उसके लिए ये 3 साल का जो ट्रेनिंग होता है ना, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, बिकॉज ये 3 years में आप कुछ भी क्वेश्चंस पूछो, नो बडी विल मेक फन ऑफ यू, और दे विल ऑलवेज आंसर टू ऑल ऑफ योर क्वेश्चंस. बट आफ्टर यू बिकम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, वो एक हिचक आ जाती है कि हाउ डू आई आस्क दिस, आई शुड हैव नोन दिस. दैट हिचक को हटाने के लिए यू शुड टेक प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग एंड टू क्रैक योर इंटरव्यू, टू एक्सेल in your interviews, you need to have proper articleship. So basically these are the reasons, okay, for which I completely see a big no to dummy articleship, and I suggest all my students to never avoid doing articleship, because all that you need to do in your life, in your career, is learned during articleship. Okay, so that is the first step of your career basically. So never do this. Say a big no to dummy articleship. In fact, encourage other students who say you to do dummy articleship, who say you that you won't be able to manage your CA final studies. Trust me, it is just a matter of time management. Okay, I've made many videos related to time management, related to how to manage studies and articleship, how to manage college and studies. So it's all about management. You need to excel on that if you want to be successful in your life. So students, that's all. I really hope you are being convinced that you will do your articleship properly. Best of luck, best wishes. Keep watching. Thank you so much.